The CBTC project represents the China-Belgium Technology Center. It is the largest project developed between China and Belgium in the history. We are building the bridge connecting China and the EU. Not only for the Wallonia, not only from Belgium, we are aiming at the whole continent. It's mainly focusing on the innovation companies with all the science and the bioscience, the manufacturing, intelligence manufacturing and the ICT. We focus on these three main industries. When we're building 6 office towers together with 1 conference center and 1 hotel. The purpose for this is to build up the ecosystem to provide a full service for those expatriates from China and also the entrepreneurs from local markets. And now we're building the car parking level. The hotel is located at the front of that central crane towers and the conference center at the right hand side. So by the end of this year we think we can finish the car parking levels, and then the start of the next year we start building the plazas and the office towers surrounding.